Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 9 on permutations and combinations. In this lecture, we will discuss one more problem on permutations and combination which was asked in GTU Winter 2022 exam. So first we understand what is this question about. It is given that a committee of 5 persons is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. In how many ways this can be done, that is, this committee can be formed when at least 2 women are included in that committee. And in the second case, we have to find the number of ways in which at most 2 women are included. So we will discuss these two sub problems one by one. Before that, we can see that we are given 6 men and 4 women, that is we have total 10 persons, and we want to form a committee of 5 persons out of this total 10 persons, in which there are 6 male and 4 female, that is women. And in the first part, we have to find the number of ways that in that committee of 5 persons at least 2 women are there. So at least 2 women, that means at least 2 women, that means the number of women can be 2 or more than 2, that is number of women are greater than or equal to 2. And here there are total 4 women, so number of women can be 2, 3 or 4. So this can be done in 3 different ways. There are 3 different possibilities that in that committee of 5 persons at least 2 women are included. That is, there will be 2 women or 3 women or 4 women, and we have committee of 5 persons. So if we consider this first possibility, then I have to select 3 male. If there are 3 women, I have to select 2 men, and if there are 4 women, I have to select 1 man. So this task, that is at least 2 women are included in a committee, is possible in these 3 different ways. So either A can be there, or B can be there, or C can be there. So this task can be performed by performing either of these 3 tasks. So the number of ways that at least 2 women are included is equal to number of ways that this A can be done, or number of ways that this B can be done, or number of ways that C can be done. So we will find out number of ways of doing this A, B and C, and then we will add them. Now in how many ways we can select 2 women and 3 men in the committee of 5 persons. So we are having 4 total women, and we want to select 2 women out of those 4 total women. So that we can do in 4C 2 ways. And we have to select 3 men, and there are total 6 men. So we can select 3 men out of 6 men in 6C 3 ways. And we require committee of 5 persons, so we have to select 2 women as well as 3 men. So here by product rule we have to multiply these two numbers. Similarly, in part B we have 3 women, there are total 4 women, so we can select 3 women out of 4 women in 4C 3 ways, and 2 men can be selected out of 6 men in 6C 2 ways. And here also, because we require a committee of 5 persons, we must select 3 women and 2 men. And similarly in the last case, there are 4 women, so that we can select in 4C 4 ways, and 1 man, so that we can select in 6C 1 ways. So these are the number of ways of doing task A or task B or task C, and this task is performed if we have performed at least one of these three tasks. That is, the task of selecting at least 2 women in a committee is performed if task A is performed or task B is performed or task C is performed. Therefore, we have to add these corresponding numbers, and that will be the total number of ways that we can form a committee in which at least 2 women are included. So we have to write all these things systematically. Here I have written all these things. I have first written that there are total 6 men and 4 women, and we have to select 5 persons from these 6 men and 4 women. And in the first sub question, we have to construct a committee of 5 persons such that at least 2 women are included. So there are 3 possibilities. The number of women can be 2, they can be 3, or they can be 4, because there are total 4 women and there are total 6 men. And we want to form a committee of 5 persons. So if I am considering 2 women, I must have to consider 3 men. Similarly, if I take 3 women, then there must be 2 men and 4 women and 1 man. Then I have written that these 2 women can be selected out of 4 women in 4C2 ways. 3 men can be selected out of 6 men in 6C3 ways. So by the product rule, there are 4C2 into 6C3 is equal to 120 ways to select 3 men and 2 women. So there are 120 ways that we can do this task, in which there are 2 women and 3 men. In task B, we have to select 3 women and 2 men. So 3 women can be selected from 4 women in 4C3 ways. Similarly, 2 men can be selected from 6 men in 6C2 ways, and thereby by the product rule, we have to multiply these two numbers, 4C3 and 6C2, and that turns out to be 60. In the last case, we have to select 4 women and 1 man. So 4 women can be selected from 4 women in 4C4 ways, and 1 man can be selected from 6 men in 6C1 ways. And by the product rule, these are 6 ways to select 1 man and 4 women. And the number of ways of selecting at least 2 women in a committee is nothing but addition of these 3 numbers by sum rule. That is, we have to add 120, 60 and 6, and that turns out to be 186. So there are 186 ways in such a way that there is a committee of 5 persons in which at least 2 women are included. So this is very nice question. It is using the concept of combination as well as we are applying product rule and sum rule. Now in this second part, we have to answer that in how many ways this committee can be formed such that at most 2 women are included. Now at most 2 women means the number of women cannot be greater than 2. So there can be 0 woman, there can be 1 woman, and there can be 2 women in a committee. So here also there are 3 possibilities. If I select 0 woman, I have to select 5 men. If I select 1 woman, I have to select 4 men. And if I select 2 women, I have to consider 3 men. And then similarly we will find out the number of ways of doing all this by product rule, and then we will add the corresponding ways. So this is similar to the first part, but here we have at most 2 women. So in this case there are three possibilities. At most two women means there can be 0, 1 or 2 women. So first possibility is if we have 0 women, then we have to select 5 men. Now total number of women are 4. So we can select 0 women out of 4 women in 4C 0 ways. Similarly 5 men can be selected out of 6 men in 6C 5 ways. And if we simplify this, there are 6 ways for performing this. Second possibility is, suppose there is 1 woman, then we have to keep men equal to 4. Now 1 woman can be selected out of 4 women in 4C 1 ways. 4 men can be selected out of 6 men in 6C 4 ways. And after simplification we get number of ways of performing this part B is 60. In the third part we have this possibility, 2 women and 3 men. Total women are 4, so we can select 2 women from 4 women in 4C 2 ways. Similarly 3 men can be selected out of 6 men in 6C 3 ways, and after simplification we obtain 120, and this is by product rule. Okay, here we are using product rule for counting, because to perform this task we have to select 2 women as well as 3 women. So it is necessary to perform both the tasks. Therefore we are multiplying the number of ways of selecting 2 women and 3 men. Now to perform this main task, that at most 2 women are there in a committee, that task can be done if we perform task A or task B or task C, and no 2 tasks out of these 3 tasks can be done at the same time. So we have to add all these possibilities by sum rule for counting. So we have to add 6, 60 and 120, that is 6 plus 60 plus 120, and this also turns out to be 120 plus 60, 180 and plus 6. So there are 186 ways that we can form a committee of 5 persons in which at most 2 are women. So you can see here we are getting the same answer for both the parts. Here also in part A we have at least 2 women in a committee, and we obtain number of ways of selecting at least 2 women is 186, and in the second part also we are getting 186, but this is just a coincidence. We have to apply this type of logic, and by applying product and sum rule for countings we will be able to determine the number of ways of this type, that if we have a committee of 5 persons, then at least 2 women are there and at most 2 women are there. So this is nice question related to combination and permutation as well as product rule and sum rule for counting, and it was asked in GTU Winter 2022 exam. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.